Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ava. I love all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle, just life in general. So if that sounds like you, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Today, I am unboxing a ThredUp Rescue Box. If you don't know what ThredUp is, it's the largest online thrift store. You can buy things for yourself or you can buy things to resell. I've done both in the past. I'll link some different ThredUp videos that I've made, but basically a rescue box is full of something that either sat on the site for too long and didn't sell, or it's something that somebody sent into the site. ThredUp decided not to add it or sell it themselves, and the person didn't want to pay to have it shipped back. So they added it to a rescue box. I got 5 handbags, and I'll put the price that I paid down below. But this is what the box looks like. I have not opened it yet because I wanted to be surprised. I want to see if I'm going to find something good that I can add to my own collection, or if maybe I'm just gonna add it to my Poshmark closet or my eBay and resell it. So let's go ahead, open this baby up and see what we got. Okay, so first thing it has is a packing slip. I paid $70 for this box. It is 5 handbags. And then has their signature tissue paper, a little sticker that says gold digging since 2009, second hand first. Okay, it's looking interesting. Here's what it's looking like. Okay, first thing, I'm excited because I don't have anything this color. And this is a nice leather bag. It's coming off a little bit more lilac in the camera, but in person it kind of looks more like a little powdery blue. It's really cute. This is, okay, I know this brand. It's hard for me to pronounce it right. Tignanello. I love this brand. Actually, I have a couple of bags this brand, but this is actually really cute. It's got some cute hardware. It's kind of giving me Balenciaga vibes. I don't know, but and then so it has the little tag here. It has a magnetic closure, very high quality, and then inside it has a really cute, this is in really good condition too, really silky cute lining with some cute pockets, a zipper center, and here's the tag. I don't know if it focused, but Tignanello since 1989. And again, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I think this is really cute. And I really like it. Okay, the next thing is a backpack. It looks like a denim and faux suede. Let's see. It's Olivia Miller handbag collection. This is what the tag is looking like. But, oh, and this still has like an actual tag on it. So it looks like it was never used. I'm assuming it's faux leather. It looks like faux leather to me, but It has like a little loop-de-loop here, as well as a handle. So, oh, it looks like you could wear this a few different ways, because you could wear it like as a crossbody and just like cinch this up so that it closes tighter. Let's see if I can do that. So you could cinch this up. You could wear it like as a crossbody or as a backpack, because this kind of goes up and down. So that's really versatile and cute. It has like this chain detail. I don't know that this is 100% my style, but I can appreciate the functionality of the bag. And I mean, I think someone might like it. I'm gonna have to think about that one. Okay, next thing I'm looking. Ooh, it's Kenneth Cole Reaction. So this is more like a tote bag, and it looks like an expandable tote. This is really cute. So it has a zipper here. I know it's hard to see because it's black, but you can see it's like Kenneth Cole Reaction. You can see the words. Ooh, and it has a cute pouch here. This is really cute. This is like a perfect mom travel bag. Like, I can throw stuff for the kids in here, snacks, diapers, even though my youngest just turned 3 and he needs to be potty trained. That's another story. But this is another really cute bag. Okay, next. Ooh, Tumi. This is a Tumi bag, and look at all those colors. Perfect fall colors. Tumi is a great brand, and I really love. This is like perfect for like a pop of color. If you have a nice monochromatic outfit on, it looks like there's a tiny spot that I don't know if you could see it, but there's like a tiny spot there, and it looks like something maybe on the inside could use a little cleaning. Let's see. I don't want to. Yeah, it just looks like dust. Is it dust? It looks like dust. I don't know. It's a little dusty on the inside, so it needs a little cleaning, but other than that, I like it. I mean, it would even go with what I have on right now for just, you know, that pop of color interest to your outfit. Okay, looks like there's one more bag, and I also love this color. Nice, yummy color for the fall. This feels like a real leather bag. It has a fabric strap. Let's see if there's a brand. This is, oh, it's Free People. So this is a Free People bag. I mean, it looks like it's a little bit well loved, and maybe that's why ThredUp didn't want to sell it, but it is super cute and perfect for fall. Wow, I really like it. I don't know, I think for the most part I scored. Like, this is so my style. I love this. I paused because I'm like thinking of all the cute outfits I could style up with this. I mean there's like a little bit of worn detail, but I bet with like a little leather conditioner it would be fine. I'm loving this bag. Okay, so I got 5 bags. 4 of them are like my style, and I would not mind adding them to my collection. One of them is still cute. So let's see. Breaking down the price, what, $12 per bag. I got 2 really great real leather bags, and then an awesome black tote, and then another bag that's perfect for fall. I mean, I don't think I could go wrong. So I think this box was a winner. I think if you are a reseller or just looking for something for your own collection, I think this box is a winner. Let me know in the comments, did you like any of the bags that I got? Would you be happy with this box? Are you gonna try to order a rescue box? If you do and you have a channel or an Instagram, make sure you tag me so I can come check out what you got. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.